Chapter 3, Lily's Garden. Welcome back to our channel where we share fun and educational stories for kids. Today's forest adventure continues with the next chapter of Lily Garden. In the last story, Ellie learned about conserving resources from her friends, and in this story, she meets Lily, the rabbit, who takes her to explore her beautiful garden. Lily's garden is a magical world of colorful fruits and vegetables, from sweet strawberries to crisp green beans. Friendly insects like bees and butterflies buzz around, pollinating the plants and helping the garden grow. Lily teaches Ellie how to plant seeds and take care of plants, and she talks about the importance of composting. Composting is a way to turn leftover food and yard waste into healthy soil that helps plants grow. Lily tells Ellie that composting is good for the environment, because it reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and helps plants stay healthy and strong. Ellie asks Lily what can and cannot be composted, and Lily shows her a list. Things like fruit and vegetable scraps, eggshells, coffee grounds, leaves, and grass clippings can be composted. But meat, dairy products, and pet waste should not be composted because they can attract pests and create bad smells. Ellie is amazed by the process and decides to start her own compost pile. With Lily's help, she learns how to add brown things like dry leaves and green things like fresh grass clippings to her compost pile, and how to turn it over every few weeks to keep it healthy. As they work in the garden, Lily tells Ellie about the benefits of growing her own food. It's fresher, healthier, and doesn't require any packaging or transportation that could hurt the planet. Ellie realizes that she can do her part in taking care of the earth by growing her own food and composting her waste. Ellie also learns about the different types of soil and how to choose the best soil for each plant. Lily shows her how to use a pH test kit to check the acidity of the soil and adjust it if needed. As they explore the garden, Ellie and Lily come across some pests like aphids and slugs. Lily teaches Ellie how to deal with them naturally, without using harmful chemicals. She shows her how to use companion planting and natural predators like ladybugs to keep the pests under control. Ellie and Lily also learn about the importance of water conservation. They use a rain barrel to collect water from the roof and use it to water the plants. Lily explains that using rainwater is better for the plants and the environment, because it's free and doesn't contain chlorine or other chemicals that are found in tap water. As they continue to work in the garden, Ellie and Lily come across some challenges like weeds and plant diseases. Lily shows Ellie how to deal with them naturally using techniques like hand weeding, mulching, and crop rotation. Finally, after a long day of gardening, Ellie and Lily sit down to enjoy a delicious meal made from the fruits and vegetables they harvested from the garden. They talk about how much they learned and how much fun they had working together. As the sun sets, Ellie thanks Lily for showing her the beauty of gardening and the importance of composting and water conservation. She promises to keep learning about how to take care of her garden and the planet. That's the end of our story for today. We hope you enjoyed learning about Lily's garden and the joys of gardening. Before we go, we have an exciting announcement. Our next adventure is Max's Nest, where we'll learn about Max the bird and his cozy treetop home. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye. Good night, little dreamers. As you snuggle up in your cozy beds, let your imagination take you on wild and wondrous journeys to far-off lands and enchanted forest. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up before you nod off, because who knows what incredible adventures we'll have in store for you tomorrow night. So, sleep tight and sweet dreams.